turbo. Okay, welcome back. How's it going, everyone? Welcome back. I hope you're having a great day so far. If not, I hope it gets better. Today we are going to be pulling apart my turbo. This is Daniel. Look at my Hot Wheels. You want to see what I picked up today? That one, and that one. I know everyone's going to be frothing over the Sylvia, so here you go. Get a good look. Okay, back to the very important part of today's video. I'm going to be pulling the rehousing off the turbo that came out of Daniel's car. So this is a factory Evo 6 turbo. The rehousing has a crack in it. If you haven't seen the last video I posted where the Evo is, I'll put a quack noise, the Evo's video. Daniel pulled the turbo out of his car and replaced it with an Evo 6 RS TME turbo. I'm having this turbo for my car. So if you don't know, I will be turboing my car next year. Fingers crossed next year. I heard that there is a little bit of lag, but not like too much. But to be honest, like, I'll figure it out when we get there, because I can always tune it to work better. I'm in my room today. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm not in the garage like I usually am, because one, it's raining, two, it's cold, and I have this cute little corner that I can sit on, a nice little cushion space, and you guys can watch me. It sounds weird. Some WD-40 and some degreaser. Shopmacepower.com, and I got my Pete Alexander pajamas on. I need a sponsor from Pete Alexander because I have bought way too many of their pajamas to not get a sponsor. So I've never pulled apart a turbo before. I've actually never held a turbo before, so this is my first time. I'm gonna start with this clip thing. I think it's a circle.
V-band.
That one. You're probably wondering, like, what am I doing next with my car? Well, my intention is to manual swap it. I just have to get my manual parts, and I have to order those from Japan. If you haven't watched my gearbox video, I'll link it below. But basically my input shaft is gone and the counter gear is gone as well. So I have to get new ones of that, new parts. And originally, for some reason, I thought it was going to cost me like $700 for me to buy those, but it turns out it's only like $400. So I should be getting that soon. I actually have an event coming up soon, so after that event I'm gonna be trying to purchase most of my parts. I pulled this handcuff thing off.
V-band.
We're gonna call it a handcuff. Hello. Also, this King Chrome socket set I got for Daniel and an advent calendar, which is really cool.
No, don't smack it. You might have to pull off the front nut.
We have to pull off its nuts in the front.
Taylor's ripping the turbo apart. Ripping the turbo apart.
What turbo?
Daniel's old turbo.
Oh yeah? Yeah. How to do it?
Have you taken a housing off before?
Yeah.
I've taken the V-band off, but do you have to like take anything else off? Because it's a bit pretty on there. Okay, we're back. So, I found out you have to hold one end of the turbine and the other end of the turbine and crack the nut. So, I'm going to attempt to do that with the minimal amount of strength that I have.
I'll try and help.
Okay. Stick one in the butt, and then...
Oh, it's too big.
That one.
Yeah.
Please stand by.
Please stand by. Good.
I feel like I should get you guys higher. Can I get much higher? My boy. My cat boy. This is his bed, but we're using it today, aren't we, cat boy? Anyways, how have you guys been? Let me know in the comments how you've been. No sense of personal space whatsoever. Ow. Yeah, boy. You know, I actually had a lot of fun when I pulled apart my gearbox because it's like something new that I hadn't done before. And like also something I hadn't seen before. Like I've never watched a video of someone pulling apart a gearbox. And it was actually quite interesting and entertaining, to be honest. And it was like one of the first things I'd ever like pulled apart, especially by myself. I feel like we're missing something.
Shouldn't be anything else.
Oh, son of a...
Did you just hit your knuckle?
I hit my knuckle on my ring. It's a little... Guys, remember, be patient, because...
You start breaking shit like that.
Yeah. And also, this is like, I'm trying to like prove to people that you don't need to get a mechanic to do everything for you. Like, especially people who, it's not just like a whole I can do it sort of thing. It's like people who don't have the money to do it, or people who don't have mechanics like local to them, or people who don't have mechanics that work on JDM cars, whatever. Like, it's for a variety of reasons, not more of like a I can do it better than you can sort of thing. That's not my whole thing. It's just like, it's also good to, you know, learn. Which is probably why you're watching this video in the first place. So, yeah. Don't feel scared to like try. I mean, it depends on like, obviously what car you have and what your like financial state looks like. For example, if you have like a Lambo, right? And you're just like, oh, I mean, if you have a Lambo, you have the money to sort of fuck around, I guess. But I'm saying, like, if you have, let's just say you have an Evo, like Daniel, right? He's going to be a bit more careful with what he does and what he fixes and what he changes on his car, because it can be very expensive if he fucks it up. Whereas me, I'm just like, fuck it. Like, not that I have a lot of money to just, like, fuck around with, but the parts are cheaper, and it's not as, like, the car's not as special as an Evo, so you can sort of just like have fun with it. So yes, this is an Evo turbo, but it's going on my car, and these turbos are actually quite cheap, so like, just be smart is what I'm saying. It's like one of my favorite sounds. Also, can you please let me know if you want to see Hot Wheels vlogs, because we go Hot Wheels searching like twice a week minimum, and I want to know if you guys are like interested in seeing that, because me and Daniel get pretty freaking lucky sometimes and find some really good stuff. So let me know if you guys want to see it.
Oh, actually, that's my
Oh my god, I was gonna pull my rib out or something. Wow. I don't think it's doing anything.
That is good. Look, he acts like he doesn't want it. Yeah, so if he doesn't want it, and when no one's looking, he eats it. Everyone act like you're not looking at him.
Everyone, look away.
What are you doing? What are you doing, Jack?
You got a biscuit? You got me scared. He said yummy.
You know you want it.
He's so cute, man. We'll leave you to it. I got a hammer and I got 2 flatheads. I got average and above average. And below average. Okay, this should work.
Proper snack, Mataylah.
Yeah, I was scared I'm gonna freaking say goodbye to my fingers. I actually think the bottom of this is too thick. Oh, yes, it worked. It worked.
Oh.
Oh, yes. It just needed some extra force. It's so dusty.
So this is fucked, eh?
That looks so weird when it's off. Yeah. Even this, like the turbo looks weird when it's a part of the disconnected. Look how small it is. Small turbo. In the 94 to 96 model Rexys, they had a TD05 turbo, but in the 96 to 98 Rexys, they had a TD04 turbo, which is smaller, but it boosts quicker but falls off on the top. So that makes a lot of sense with this one and the RS. Just a little bit of knowledge for you guys. Bigger doesn't necessarily mean better. Sometimes.
Well, the thing with this one, probably didn't come on boost as quickly as my other one, but it held the boost for longer.
But this did come on quick.
Yeah.
This one did come on really quick. Maybe not as quick, but...
I just need an Evo 9 turbo.
So I can like touch all this?
Yeah, might as well clean it up.
Yeah, no, like I want to clean it, I just want to make sure, because there's some things, you know, you just like can't touch.
Can you pull that out?
You know what? I might use this for something. I could turn this into like a water feature. Or like... Oh, I could clean this up.
A lamp.
Gotta do something with this, guys. Whatever I figure out to do, I'll show you guys. I could turn it into like a pot. Put a bottom on it. And turn it into like a plant pot. Guys, should I powder coat my turbo?
Yes. Oh, you should do it yourself.
Of course I'm going to do it myself. Really? Guys, I'm going to be doing everything myself.
We need an oven though.
Sorry?
We need an oven. Yeah, because you have to cook the...
I didn't say no. Oh. I was just thinking about it.
Oh, there you go.
Did you guys see that? That was so satisfying.
You might be able to service that stuff.
Oh my god, that's so cool. Have you ever like pulled apart like a watch or something? Is this just dirt built up? Oh my god.
It's carbon built up now.
You sound so smart saying it.
I think put your flathead in there and because you can... No, like this. Oh god, look at that.
Yeah, don't do it.
I don't know.
Does anyone know how to take the front turbine out?
Put it in the comments.
Even though I'm probably going to try and do it this video.
Maybe.
There's someone probably screaming at me right now. Look how cool this is though.
Yeah.
This looks like a little thing on the back of a boat. It's well oiled. I'll try and use gloves when doing this because it's actually quite bad for your skin, all these chemicals. But do as I say, not as I do, because I usually always wear gloves, but today I was like, oh, fuck it. See there? This side has like a nicely made one.
Do you want to do internal or external wastegate?
I don't know. I don't really know the difference of the sounds yet. What do you have, internal?
I have internal, but it sounds external sometimes.
Is one legal and one illegal?
External wastegate is only illegal if it
doesn't reflow.
Yeah, if it doesn't recirculate into the exhaust.
Is there any point in getting it though if it has to recirculate?
You can control your boost better, I think.
I just thought about the sickest idea. Someone's gonna do it, maybe not. But this little part that just came off the little turbine rear part, whatever. I'm sorry you guys can't see that. What if you gave this to like a ring maker and he expanded it and turned this into a ring? And then in those little holes, can you please tap on the screen? You see those little holes? Put little diamonds in it. I'm sorry, I can't tell you what this is. I don't know.
Just a wool. What's it? Metal wool or whatever. Steel wool. That's what it is.
It might not be.
No, it is. Look.
I got pizza.
Yeah, this is a great place for you to be, babe. Really good place for you to be. Perfect place for you to be.
I have pizza.
Did you see the spark?
No.
It just sparked.
Well done, Captain. Don't pull it off yet. I don't want to do it. It looks like a really cool CD player. If you guys can see that, there's a little clip. Big ass
Circlip.
Big ass circlip holding down the back of the turbo. Literally looks like a CD player. What the hell?
And there's the turbine wheel.
It's so pretty. It's so cool, man. Yeah. All these parts are just epic. Like, look at that. When do you ever get to see the turbine out of the turbo? Never. Now you can put it on.
Does I go down on that?
Yeah. Wait, you already put it on.
I don't know how it went in.
I'm just putting it in the camera.
Oh shit. Oh. Is it still playing?
There you have it, guys. An engine.
Power.
And that's how you build 600 horsepower engine. Or a really cool tabletop spinner. Yeah. You've never seen inside of a turbo? It goes. There you go. I did it. Filthy bitch.
That turbo's older than you.
Us. This turbo's older than us. Picked up some ramps because you'll find out. Doesn't mind what?
Babe,
Yeah?
that's not the headlight.
Oh no. Out with the old, in with the new.
Fuck, that's right.
Holy crap.
Wow. Into the bucket. Oh my god.
I have had such a stressful 2 weeks. I have the car bed in 2 days. I still have to lower my car, put my indicator cover back on, fix the wrap on my mirrors, wrap my side skirts, clean the interior, vacuum, and like wipe down the surfaces. The car's technically washed now. I gotta go over parts of it, but I gotta like go over the wheel. I have to do the wheels now, and I gotta put my decals on. So I'm gonna go do the decals now, and then probably do my wheels because I just rolled up the hose. 18.
Yeah, for what?
8.5.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
So, what do you reckon? 30 mil?
Yeah.
I want it to be at 900 mil. The threads. That's 30 mil down. Huh?
Yep, quick math. 11, so it'd be down to 9.
Yeah, 900 mil.
So we'll just say it's at 11, we'll drop it to 9. Fine. 5 mil is fine.
This is max low as well.
It looks trash on the stocks.
That's because the stock is one thing. It's filthy.
Oh my god, that is a dirty wheel.
Yeah.
Clean. Dirty. OEM rep.
That was a crack on that side.
So this wheel we are assuming is for the front, because this wheel is always, this side's always looked a bit strange, and so is like that front side, because the two different offsets, and we don't know which wheel is what offset, because even on the box it didn't say.
They fucking wrote it, right? But the cunt who wrote it had the dirt, like the messiest handwriting.
Yeah, he was definitely drunk when writing that
Some
shit.
fucking shit.
He just scribbled, whoever wrote the offset on the box scribbled it, so you couldn't even tell what it said. Yeah, I'm in my pajamas. Okay, we get it. My pajamas is what makes me feel comfortable. Anyways, so we're just going to change that wheel to the front and that front to the back to see if it makes any difference, because it... You okay? Chet boy, what are you doing up there? Chet's been out here for ages.
So quiet, I forgot he was in the car.
Oh, was he still in the car?
I put him back in. He didn't want to get in, I had to
Oh.
pick him up.
So yeah, I'll show you guys the big reveal soon once we're done. The reason I didn't film like this stuff is because my battery died, but also like you guys have probably seen this like a million times, so I didn't want to bore you with that. So yeah, I'll show you the fun stuff later. You see how you have to tuck the wheel? Ooh. Ooh. It literally, with it like leaning like that, like it sits where it used to. Oh, I'm excited. I'm not getting off this driveway. I'm gonna have to fly off. Shit. Fuck, going around roundabouts is gonna suck.
You don't have much steering angle.
Shit. I also don't have that much mechanical sympathy.
Like honestly, you might fuck yourself.
Sounds like a good time. I don't even, like so far I don't even think it's that noticeable.
He's gonna be stealing your shit's stuff.
My god. I hope I can make it to the shopping, to the servo, to the shopping, to the servo.
Yeah.
To the servo, to the shopping centre, and to Menangle and back. That's it. That's all I need to do. I'm surely gonna be fine over the speed bumps.
You're gonna have to go sideways. Like really slow.
I might be regretting this whole decision. That's okay, we got the Evo we could use, so. I'm scared.
The exhaust is gonna smack on everything now, I already know it.
Chunky, oh, you're limping. What did you do? Dame. what did you do? Dame. Mano. Dame. What did you do? You're so cute. You want to go kucha? You're tired? You're limping. Oh my god. It's almost lip to fender. It's creaking. Shit. Oh no, he's limping. Holy crap, that's hot. That's hot. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, the front is so high. It's like it's raking.
What is this side?
It's properly raking.
The front on this side. It's good on the front. It's just that weird. The stock is not bad.
It looks like a full fucking drift car with the stock. No.
I know. That's fine. God, that's good.
Fuck, pink goes so hard when it's dumped on its ass. Oh, by the way, my fenders have been like pumped out. Yeah, you can see it. It's been pumped out from just driving on my other height. On the good dailyable height, it's been pumped. This one, no, I pumped this one out on accident just before. Moving, I'll show you where I moved. It just in the height that I was in, just before this, not my daily height, but just before this, I reversed here and turned here. And pumped out that car. Bro, I am so gone off the driveway. I'm gonna have to fly off the driveway. But look, if only I could put a like LSD in.
Yeah, but trust me, the traction control will save you.
Holy god. Oh, it kind of looks good.
Tell your dad to come out and mix it up.
Fuck yeah, I love it. Oh shit. Oh. Tonight's gonna be fun. My fuel light's on.
Feel that. Just feel it.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna rub that.
Oh my god. I might not have to drive anywhere.
You wish you had bags, don't you? You need 20s.
You know how you get bags? Sell bags.
Sell bags to get bags.
God damn. God damn. Get.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's a get. Hey, Jet Boy. He's so sad.
Looks hard though. Taylor, Bella, your car's a monster truck. Turn. Gonna have to pump this out. Don't turn. Alright, stop. Ah, fucking hell. You gotta do the same here. That's... Don't turn left. You fucking bullshit.
Prepping him up. Taking him at him.
Stop. Hold this.
I'm in reverse.
Hold this. Hold it. I'll help.
Hey, they're phatic, my mathematics, you can't add up. So tragic, my baggage comes with no backup. Breaking patterns like splitting atoms, it ain't happening. Cycle spins, psychosis wins, the world spins. On my motherfucking dick like a whirlwind. Devilish ends, devilish grins. Got motherfuckers like, here we go.